still copying and pasting your Genspark chats? Here's a much better way. Looking for an easy way to save your Genspark conversations? Stop copying and pasting. Meet Genspark to Obsidian. Export your chats, images, presentations, and more as clean Markdown files with one click. When you're viewing any conversation, the extension automatically detects the page. Just click Export Current Conversation to save it instantly. After exporting, simply open the files in Obsidian. The generated Markdown keeps your conversations clean and readable, while preserving folder structure, YAML metadata, outlines, images, and presentation assets. Everything stays local, searchable, and ready for your personal knowledge base. Want more control? Open the custom preview. Preview the final Markdown before downloading, then choose exactly which messages you want to export. Need to back up more than one conversation? The bulk export page lets you export your complete history, search for specific conversations, or export entire Genspark Hubs. Thanks for watching. If you found this extension helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more AI productivity tools. Download Genspark to Obsidian and discover more AI export tools at chatgpt2notion.com. Thanks again and happy exporting.